Guys, June 14th, 2024. I gotta go change an outside faucet for a guy. He called me and I guess it's got a Y connection on it, and he tried to get it off and he twisted the faucet in the wall or something, and he wants to go back with a frost-free one. I think that's what's there now, but I'm not 100% sure. But anyway, his wife knows what's going on and she's home, so I'm gonna go over there and
turn left at the traffic light.
Rip and tear the old one out and put a new one in, I guess. Got my ladder leaning up here. I gotta get way in over there. I really can't even get in here. I gotta cut that thing with my... I gotta reach way over there. I did pull the insulation out, but I don't know. Maybe I can... There it is right there. She's split on the outside. Maybe I can cut it. I don't know if I can even get up there. Maybe. Like this. If I can cut it. She's gonna be one crusty one, Mama. Can I solder it? I guess I could reach up there somehow and solder it. Clean it good. I don't know if that's a 6-inch or an 8-inch, or hopefully it's an 8-inch. I had it cutting. I should be able to pull it out and solder a piece in there. I'm hoping to put a coupling out here. She's a tight one, Mama. Gotta make sure it's clean. If not, I won't want to solder. Once we solder it, we've got one shot at it. One shot deal. I'll be able to take the outside unit apart. So if there's any water, it will steam out. I think. Let me take the old one out, we'll be able to measure it. What we got for a piece there. Man, that's fucking crazy. That's really crazy. Hopefully I can get it off. I don't know. Yeah, look at that shit. There we go. There's a leaker. Can't fix that. I got a new one here. We're gonna put this one in. Should be able to take it apart. Oh. Should be able to take it apart. Hopefully. Looks bigger. I don't know if it's gonna go. Fucking bitch. Looks like a bigger unit. Great. I'm gonna need to get that and drill that out or something. Get it to go. These other ones I bought look a little bigger. always changing shit. I mean, it's the story of my life. You try to buy something to save a couple of bucks and it ends up making more work for you. Look this right out of the equation. It's hollow. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. There's a leaker. Almost got me that one, didn't it? Almost. There's a leaker. Yeah. Might have to drill that hole out a little bit bigger. I don't know if I can get it in or not. We're gonna try. We'll try. I don't think it wants to go in there for some reason. Have to connect it on the inside and come back out here and square it off, and we could solder it. I gotta put a couple of screws in it. Get a couple of screws loose, Mama. Here's a couple of screws loose. if I can even get in there. Flipping trees. Bush from hell here. Alright, and I just gotta go and solder that up on the inside. Then I can put the guts back in it. Hopefully it fits back in there. Leave it loose like that so it'll steam out. Man, she's a tight one. It should be in all the way, but I gotta just double check it. It's really kind of hard to be even up here. I'm kind of like really. Yeah, that fucking thing's not in all the way. It's in now. It's in all the way. It's in all the way. That's a tough one. She's a crusty one, Mama. Fuck yeah, she's crusty. Can I solder it? I don't know. Kind of hanging out here in the middle of the flipping air. Flopping in the wind. He's flopping in the wind now. He's flopping in the wind. Man, crazy. Crazy shit. Fucking nutty. You're a nutty bitch. I don't know. Alright, seems to be alright. I'll put it together out there and hopefully. She's one nutty bitch. She's, when I'm done, I'll put the insulation back, but I mean, it's pretty. Way out here. Stretch way over and stand on a pipe and. Crazy. Let's get it back together and see if it leaks. Might have to take that handle off to get this back together, I'm not sure. I hope not. Alright, just take that out so if there's any water it'll steam out, right? I'm trying out these new valves from a different company. We'll see if they're any good. I got one on the other side that's leaking on the outside. We gotta see what's going on with that one too. See if this works. We'll see. It'll leak. Turn it on, see if it leaks. Alright, that's good. I'll put this insulation back and then we'll try it outside. Get it back together. This one's leaking outside when he turns it on. I bet it's coming from the vacuum breaker. Let's see before I change it. You leave the hoses on them and they have a problem sometimes. Yep, there you go. Vacuum breaker. Did it split? How can I put it back together? Yeah, washer there. That's gonna float up. When it turns on, it floats up into this. Yep, That should work now. Let's try it. Maybe. Let me turn the water on and try it. That was off. That might have been what the problem was. It went to a freeze. We'll try it. We'll turn it on and try it. This is a quarter turn. Just a little loosey-goosey here. A little loosey-goosey. Let me try it. What do we got to lose before we rip it all apart and change it, right? Let's try it. Turn the water onto this one and see. This one's right here. Let's see if that one's any good. Let's see. I'm gonna place that right by the electric meter. Put the handle backwards. Not leaking anymore. I don't know why he's got these shut-offs on it, but it's fine. It's on. It's off here. I'll just make sure that there's no water in the basement, but I got water on here. I got it off here. We'll see if it leaks in the basement. I don't see any water. I don't see any floods. I gotta check. Alright, I don't see anything leaking. Yeah, I don't see any leaks. We're good. Alright, I told her. He's gotta take the hoses off in the fall.